That evening, the engines went to see the Fat Controller. They were surprised and delighted. The sheds have been built again, puffed Thomas. They look beautiful, puffed Henry. Better than ever before, puffed Edward.
I was just starting to like my tent,
Huffed Gordon.
and now you can all come home,
The Fat Controller added. But Emily was sad. She liked sharing her shed now. She was going to miss Thomas. Then Percy noticed something. "There's an extra space," he cried. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
The other space is for Emily,
said the Fat Controller.
From now on, she will stay at Tidmouth Sheds.
Emily was delighted. That night, the engines talked about steamies, diesels and aeroplanes. And they all agreed that Tidmouth Sheds was the best place to be.
Waiting for a plane to land. Be they diesel